Lexus LFA is a two-seat supercar produced by Lexus, the luxury vehicle division of Toyota. The LFA is a flagship model for Lexus, showcasing the brand's capabilities in terms of design, engineering, and performance. The LFA was first unveiled as a concept car at the 2005 North American International Auto Show, and production began in 2010. The LFA's design is characterized by its sleek and aerodynamic body, with a bold front grille, swept-back headlights, and a curved roofline. The car's exterior is made from advanced materials, including carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which provides exceptional strength and lightness. The LFA's interior is equally impressive, with premium materials, advanced technology, and a range of comfort and convenience features. Under the hood, the LFA is powered by a 4.8-liter V10 engine that produces 552 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automated sequential gearbox, which provides fast and smooth shifting. The LFA also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and stability on a variety of road surfaces. The LFA is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including electronic stability control, traction control, and anti-lock braking. Other safety features include a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and knee airbags. In terms of technology, the LFA is one of the most advanced cars in its class, with a range of innovative features and systems. The car's infotainment system is based on Lexus's advanced remote touch platform, which provides seamless connectivity and integration with smartphones and other devices. The LFA also features a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-collision system. On the road, the LFA is a joy to drive, with precise and responsive handling, smooth and quiet ride, and exceptional acceleration and braking performance. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, making it a great choice for drivers who live in areas with inclement weather. The LFA is also known for its exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, with a focus on providing a luxurious and refined driving experience. The car's interior is handcrafted by skilled artisans, with a focus on using only the finest materials and techniques. The LFA is a highly exclusive car, with production limited to just 500 units worldwide. Each car is hand-built by a team of skilled technicians, with a focus on providing a truly unique and personalized ownership experience. The LFA is also backed by Lexus's comprehensive warranty and maintenance program, which provides owners with peace of mind and protection for their investment.